Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Wildwood project which is located in Kumbalgodu, North Bangalore, a project by Riozone Group. And today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the details and information of the project and about the land parcel is just in the front of me. These are the plots. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project. So this project will be constructed on total 8 acres of land parcel consisting of 149 plots in 8 acres. Now coming to the location part, so this project is exactly located in Kumbalgodu, North Bangalore. So you can connect to Raja Rajeshwari Engineering and Medical College in just 5 minutes from the project. Chalagatta metro station 4 minutes from the project and Nice Ring Road is 10 minutes away from the location of the project, and even you can connect to Mysore Bangalore Expressway in 5 minutes. Now let's move further with the amenities part. So this project provides you 30 plus luxurious amenities like of multi-purpose court, kids play area, garden area, swimming pool, clubhouse, cricket pitch, co-working space, party area and many more. Now coming to the super built up area. So here the plot size is starting from 1200 square feet to 2000 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process. So the project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the actual plot size and the plot area as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential plots project, that is Wildwood, which is located in Kumbalgodu, North Bangalore, a project by Riozone Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.